podcast introduction करो. Hello and welcome to the very first episode. How not to make it. Today we are with Mr. Karthik Niranjan.
Rolling.
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया. स्लिट नहीं दिख रहा. Yeah.
God, my name is Pranav Gavatekar and you must know me by the name Why Think So Much and also an aspiring filmmaker. So I am here and this is the first episode of a very interesting thing which I am trying, which is called How Not to Shoot a Film. So we are here with our dear friend Niranjan Karthik.
Thank you.
Tuka worked on Tezon Divas as an AD and he was there to help me in Pune with the actor handling वाला portion, handling the crew वाला portion और basically ADs को तो सभी करना पड़ता है भाई, तुमको पता ही है.
Handling the director also.
वो भी किया है इसने.
The film was about 2 days in this father's life, but we shot the film in 2 days literally. So it was a very, very hectic shoot, and of course the director always has some aspirations and some ideas which are in his head. They are there for him. They are very clear for him. But I think his vision and how it reaches everyone else in the team is part of like this job, which is when you assist the director, you make sure it's not assisting as in literally assisting him in doing things, but making sure that his direction reaches the people. So someone has to be there to to first of all, of course, encourage him in what his ideas are and go forward with it.
Rolling.
अलाइनमेंट कर ले.
ओए आगे ले रहा हूँ.
धीरे धीरे जो.
हाँ
लंबा ले जा लंबा.
हाँ लेता हूँ.
And at the same time also tell him, no Pranav, you're going too far. Yeah, it's a mixture of both, you know. So of course that's the thing, you always face a lot of challenges in filmmaking, and the biggest thing you can do is adapt, because you should have a plan for how you want to make the film, because without the vision it's nothing. But you need to be able to change your vision as well with what the circumstances are, what the situations are. And I think that is what I meant by managing the director as well. It's like keeping the thing going.
It's actually very necessary to understand what you were saying कि as an assistant director you need to do your homework. क्योंकि मुझे याद है तू पुणे आया था और पुणे आके तू एक बड़ा सा एक ब्लू कलर का थैला लेके खड़ा था in which you were having props which had to be bought from Bhopal. तेरा एक बहुत अच्छा हैबिट है जो मैंने इनकलकेट किया उसके बाद में, वो था कि तू एक छोटी डायरी लेके रहता था तेरे साथ हमेशा. और एक तरफ फैनी बैग था. तो छोटी डायरी में तू चीजें लिखता रहता था एंड that used to help us a lot in the next process कि आगे हम क्या करने वाले क्या नहीं करने वाले. अब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ऐसी रहती है कि जब फिल्म हम बनाते हैं तो यू कैन कितना भी आप प्रोडक्शन कर लो, आप कुछ चीजों के लिए कभी भी रेडी नहीं रह सकते. और मुझे याद है कि हम लोग सब कुछ जब ऐसे शैम्बल्स में था, वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट गो लाइक टू द कैंटीन एंड हम लोग कुछ तो भी खाने के लिए देते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक देख लेंगे भाई, कर लेंगे.
Rolling.
Scene 1, shot 5, take 4.
And action.
अरे उन्होंने सुना ही नहीं.
जोर से बोल तू.
हाँ,
एंड
ठीक है,
एक्शन
फिर
करके जोर
से
से.
कर ले.
होल्ड.
अच्छे से बोल.
नहीं किया.
एक्शन.
So one of the things that happened during the shoot was I think 1 or 2 days just before the shoot, the lead actress cancelled because
Not 1 or 2 days before.
1 day before, right? The day
That
before.
day.
No, it was like
No.
the day before.
I remember हुआ क्या था. अब हमारा शूट है और सुबह 5:30 बजे I get a message from our actor saying कि हमारी जो एक्ट्रेस है she has backed out from the film due to some reasons obviously. और उसकी वजह से हमारा शूट हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. And that day in the morning. Yeah, and that is how we woke up.
Okay. Yeah, that is how we woke up.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, correct. So yeah, that happens. So on the day of the shoot, we have 2 days of shoot. On the first day, in the morning, we get a message that the actress is not coming because there's some emergency, and I think that first day we couldn't shoot that day. Of course, we had no actress, so we had to push the entire shoot by a day. But for the first half of that day, I felt like, you know, we all were quite stuck. We were quite confused. We were quite scared, and we were stuck to that. We know we need that actress. You know, we need that thing. What is happening? What will we do? We felt very angry. We felt weird about it. So we didn't know how to respond to it. You know, because it's like it's all crumbling down. And I think that was one of the first obstacles that we cleared by slowly. By the end of that day, by evening, we were like, okay, maybe we need to, you know, shift our course and shift our ideas a little bit. We can't be stuck to one thing, and that is a very important thing, because I think that paved the way for the entire shoot going a lot easier in a lot of other things as well.
Yeah.
That mindset, that realization, you know, that you can't be stuck to one thing.
ठीक है, आप देख रहे हो कि ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं, बट वो सारे प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से ना पूरा जो टीम है उसका मोरल डाउन होने लगा धीरे धीरे करके. और सबसे ज्यादा हमें जो ये बात हुई थी, जो एक्ट्रेस हमारी ड्यू टू अनफॉर्चुनेट रीजंस चली गई थी, वी वर वेरी स्कैर्ड.
As a director, I think, because of course AD is a part of your team and we did manage it at some point, but I think, yeah, that is one thing that you need to think of. As a director, you are the leading emotion of your group, you are the leading power,
Captain of the ship.
yeah. So, you know, it's as simple as, you know, how sometimes when a person is sick, the other people might not be sick, but they start feeling sick, they start coughing even though there's nothing, they don't have any cold. I think one of the important things for the director is not to become like overwhelmed by a lot of things that are raining in on him, because we start feeling like, you know, why is the worst things happening to me? Why is this all happening to me? I am the most affected by it, not this entire group. This AD or this light boy, nothing will happen to him if this film is not done. This cameraman, nothing. But it's not true, because that is
a very wrong thing to think about.
Yeah, so that's the phase, that's a mindset when you get in that, then it's very problematic, because you start thinking that this is your project and everything is going wrong on you. It's not, because first of all, you are the director, so it does come on your head, because you have the greatest responsibility. It is your film, there is no doubt. But as soon as you decide to make it with a lot of other people, it becomes their film as well, and you can't give up in that hope of, you know, like, why is life challenging me so much? No, I don't want to change this. So all these aggression, anger, or it's a mix of both that you need in that.
What I think is, in certain situations like this, जब चीजें बहुत खराब जा रही हो, if you have a good crew and if you as a director actually believe in them, which one should, because you have made that team, it starts giving you strength. Because I remember whenever we were facing certain issues, like जैसे हमें जो बेडरूम वाला जो सीन था, जो हमारा मेन क्लाइमैक्स वाला सीन है, वो हमें 12:30 तक खत्म करना था. We had to finish it till 12:30 and we were stuck on that scene till 3:30 or 4, and our shoot was about to get over at 6. We were like, क्या करे, but at that time the entire team starts functioning like a machine. Each and every single thing is important, और वो सारी चीजें जब आप देखते हो ना, तो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी ये हो जाता है कि आप सबको खुश रखो, और उससे ज्यादा आप खुद खुश रहो. क्योंकि अगर एक भी इंसान गड़बड़ा गया ना, तो फिर वो बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है.
And being emotional, I think you have to be emotional, but you can't be too emotional to a lot of things. You have to ignore a lot of things, you know. People would be rude to you, and you can be rude to people, and of course you need to not be rude to anyone. You got to solve it, but you know, the small things, again, it's a mix of both, and being a director, it's almost like being a parent of your entire group. You have to come with that mindset that someone might just pass a comment. It was during the second day, and of course, with what you said, the problem being that we have crunched up the time to such extent that there's no margin for error, and still there was less time. There were a lot of shots, so we started cutting shots. We started going a bit faster. Of course, we had to retake whatever we have to retake, but we started going faster. It is just one of the things, one of the things I would say, again, in this point of not to do in making a film is isolating your own island, because you think that there isn't enough time to explain everything, or it's not, because you don't have to explain everything, just the necessary part, and that is something, being in the film industry or anything in filmmaking, you need to work on is you don't have to explain a paragraph, you need to explain the key points to it.
Our entire industry actually works on the concept of long lines.
Towards the end of the shoot, we were quite happy, when we were shooting the dinner table scene, then it was quite relaxed. We knew we were on time, we were doing it fine, and it was all good.
Actually, nobody knows that how much effort goes behind the scene. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं होता कि वो सबटाइटल की तरह फिल्म में दिख के आता है, बट ये सारी जो फ्लॉज है, जो कम्युनिकेशन का फ्लॉ हो गया, ये सारी चीजें स्क्रीन पे आ जाती है. तो समझ आ जाता है कि वो डायरेक्टर का वो कैमरा जो ऑपरेट कर रहे थे, जो डीओपी था, और जो पूरा टीम है, उसका कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हुआ है. बट समहाउ वी वर एबल टू मैनेज बिकॉज वी हैड दैट ट्रस्ट इन ईच अदर कि इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद भी वी आर एबल टू पुल ऑफ व्हाट वी वांट टू. आई रिमेम्बर कुछ तो बहुत फनी सीन्स भी होते हैं ऐसे बिहाइंड द सीन्स में, कि वो डिनर वाला सीन जब जो हमारे एक्टर ही इज सिटिंग एंड उनका चेहरे का क्लोजअप लगा हुआ है, एंड आई वाज लाइक रोल साउंड रोल कैमरा, और फिर मैं उनको देख रहा हूँ और मैं एक्शन बोलना भूल गया था. उनको देख रहा हूँ और देखते देखते 1 मिनट हुआ, 2 मिनट हुआ. आई वाज लाइक ओके, ही मस्ट बी इन दिस प्रोसेस बिकॉज एक्टर्स समटाइmes टेक देयर time, and I was like, okay, he'll deliver a good dialogue, he has been doing that, so I'll just wait for him. 3 मिनट हुआ, 4 मिनट हुआ, and at around 5 minutes or so he was like, अरे भाई action तो बोल दे.
We all were thinking he is taking his time to, I don't know, set up the scene or waiting for the right something, and we were like, okay, why is he not saying action? Like, damn. I mean, that explains how
pressure itna hota hai.
How delicate the mind space is, in a film. So, but a brilliant point what you said. Everything you do and you don't do shows on the screen, and that is one of the biggest galat fahmi or whatever it's called. I can't think of it in English abhi. A misunderstanding. Like that you can carry in your head, which is कि नहीं दिखेगा नहीं, स्क्रीन में नहीं दिखेगा.
और एक और बहुत ही खराब डायलॉग है जो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, दैट इज पोस्ट में संभाल लेंगे. मत करो भाई जो भी कर रहे हो.
because I mean, we can only say from our experience, कुछ नहीं होता है. Post is not
a place to handle mistakes.
That is you can only cut out everything, the good and the bad together. And it's a very wrong concept. Post mein it can be handled, because post is not a place to stitch things up, it's just putting it together.
Basics need to be strong, नहीं तो वो बहुत जारी दिखता है. And it disconnects the audience from what is going on.
And you need I just think that you need to keep this in only one thing in your mind, that the audience are not idiots. So as long as you keep that in mind, that the audience are not idiots, I think you'll be fine. I think you'll have that respect in your head of not create, of seeing what you're doing.
It's because of the amount of exposure that we're having these days, due to a lot of things, like for example reels over Instagram ki, ya phir aajkal everybody is very much interested in what is the process, and that is one of the things which triggered me, that बिहाइंड द सीन्स के बारे में हम लोग फोटोज देख लेते हैं या डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देख लेते हैं, बट एक्चुअल एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में मैंने ज्यादा कभी सुना नहीं. इसीलिए हाउ नॉट टू शूट अ फिल्म वाला एक कंसेप्ट आया, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर फिल्म मेकर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आज का जो ऑडियंस है इट्स वेरी स्मार्ट, और आप उसको कुछ भी फीड नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपका स्टोरी अच्छा हुआ, और स्टोरी पहले की फिल्म में भी स्टोरी अच्छी थी बट ग्राफिक्स वगैरह उतने अच्छे नहीं थे. आजकल सब कुछ मैटर करता है टू द टाइनीस्ट डिटेल. Whether your VFX, if you're having in the film, is good, the sound is good, is it heavy, is it too light, it matters because audience is evolving and it's evolving at a very fast pace, जिसकी वजह से आजकल बहुत सारे जो पुराने formulas थे वो काम करना बंद कर दिए.
Yeah, and I think all these formulas, all these concepts, formulas and equations that we create, they don't last. They never last long. The only thing that lasts long is the very basics. Ki no matter how much you think you can do sound in post, you can't. Just do the live sound well. It is a fact, because I have worked on editing films where during the shot people are just talking. The cameraman is talking during the shot. Like he's like, हाँ अब हाथ को ऊपर ले जाओ, अब इसे ऐसे करो, and they're like, हाँ हम एक ambience लेके डाल देंगे. नहीं हो पाता. It is so painful, to do the Foley and ambience actually really correctly. It is a very painful process because you don't know, a little rustle of the clothes, a little thing dropping, you can't recreate it. Of course, that's why it's nature. So this very basic of things to keep in your head is what will get you. Formulas, they will be quite meaningless to everyone who thinks that they can just copy another person's formula.
So we are at the end of episode 1, and I am really thankful to you for being such a wonderful guest and having such heartfelt conversations with us, and इतनी सारी बुराइयां बताने के लिए हमारे बारे में. क्योंकि this show is actually how not to shoot a film. So really thank you, and we
pleasure.
are done with the outro over here.
मैं कह रहा हूँ वो हो गया नहीं, तो ये सब बोलने का पेमेंट